team, kindly move on stage and I'll see you again on the fashion show. So, pag natawag ko po yung pangalan, may tatawagin pa po ulit ako. So, kindly stay put. The first babe moving on to the grand finals is babe number 2, Thea Legaspi. Congratulations, Thea. See you again.
I'm on fire.
Sasama kay Faye at kay ACIC, hug number 6, Anton Montimar. Father House, kahit stay put, hindi pa po matapos. Ang bata kasi nung katabi ang laki ko. Kasama ni Anton sa Grand Finals. Hunks, isa na lang ang tatawagin ko. Kung hindi, congratulations still. Sali na sali. At syempre, build more confidence. At siya ay si Hunk number 5, Gavin Barrera. Congratulations to other Hunks as well, brother. Congrats, maraming salamat. Thank you. Good luck sa Big Lunch mo, bro. Congratulations sa